Assalamu alaikum students. Open your books at page 153. It is unit 7. Today we are going to start reading next lesson. It is about Amy Johnson. She was a solo flyer and then she met with a fatal accident and she died in a plane crash. So we will read the text first. It is first paragraph which I am going to read. Amy Johnson was once known all over the world for her achievements in solo. Solo means when you travel alone. Solo flying. In 1930, at the age of 26, she became the first woman to fly 10,000 miles solo from England to Australia in her little green aeroplane, a de Havilland Moth. It is name of the plane. It took her 20 days. The first part of the journey from southern England to Karachi took her 6 days, which was a record. Well, students, this in this paragraph we have learned that, as I have already told you, that it is about Amy Johnson. She was a solo flyer. She was the first woman to fly 10,000 miles solo from England to Australia, and her journey from southern England to Karachi was completed in just 6 days. Now move toward paragraph 2. Her death has always been a mystery. In 1941, the aeroplane which she was flying plunged into the sea off the coast of England. The plane has never been found because diving is dangerous and difficult in the area where the aeroplane went down. There is a great deal of sediment. Sediment means some kind of matter which is at the bottom of the water, which makes it difficult to see under the water. The currents are very strong and the area is close to shipping lanes. Well, in this paragraph, it is mentioned that in 1941 her plane plunged into sea, but plane was never found as diving was very dangerous in this area, and without diving no one could find the wreck of the ship. Moreover, water currents are very strong in this area, so wreck of the ship was difficult to find out. Come to paragraph 3. It is thought that she plunged into the water because her aeroplane ran out of fuel, but many people did not and do not believe that. They believe that she was flying on a secret mission or that she was shot down. Because her plane has never been found, no one has ever found out why Amy Johnson's flight ended in tragedy all those years ago. Here we have learned that there is actually a kind of mystery about this fatal accident. It is said that she plunged into water as she had no more fuel in her plane. But some people believe that she was deployed on a secret mission, and some believe that she was shot down. Paragraph 4. But now, over 60 years later, a sub-aqua means below water, team believe that they have found the wreck of Amy Johnson's plane. They have spent 2 summers searching for the wreck with sophisticated means advanced technology to help them. Now that the team have finally found the wreck, they can start to solve the mystery of Amy Johnson's final flight. Was she shot down? Was she part of some secret mission, or did her plane just run out of fuel? Well, we have came across in this paragraph that around 60 years later, a Sabekwa team found the wreck of the Amy Johnson's plane with the help of new technology. And now they can solve the mystery of her death, that whether she was on a secret mission or she was shot down or her plane run out of fuel. Now we can hope for getting the mystery solved. Now the lesson is done. Turn the page and come to page 155. Here we have some question and answers. We will do the first 2 questions. You have to prepare the page and you have to write down in your copies like this. First question is, for what reason is Amy Johnson known all over the world? And the answer is, Amy Johnson is well known all over the world due to her achievements in solo flying. Question number 2. How was Pakistan involved in Amy Johnson's achievements? And the answer is, when she became the first woman to fly 10,000 miles solo from England to Australia. The first part of her journey was from southern England to Karachi. Students, you have to write down all these questions in your copy.